Well, folks, I finally got my hands on this item right here. It allows you to turn anything into a Bluetooth speaker. I'm gonna try this out. Hey, why is it not opening? I can't get it open. What's going on? Can't get it open. Oh, silly me. It's this piece of tape right here. I gotta undo it. Okay, I took care of the tape. Now let's do this. Okay, let's open this one up. It's inside. Okay, nice box. Okay, let's take it out. Oh, this is impressive. And you can stick it on anything. Okay, let's do that. Alright, I'll get the rest of this out of here. Oh, instructions. I'm definitely going to be reading this. And the instructions here. Okay, I'm definitely going to be doing that. Oh yeah. Ooh, I see they got some other accessories too. Let's get in the box here. Me being a man. Ooh, okay, let me open this up. Ooh. A whole bunch of stuff just came out. Whoa. Okay, doing a quick read, I found out it has its own sticky pad, a suction cup, and an extra sticky pad. And you can recharge it with this. Wonderful. We're definitely going to be trying all this out. Okay, after further reading, I'm going to pair it with my phone. So that now I got the Bluetooth set up to this, I'm going to start playing some stuff. Here we go. Sounds impressive, it does. Wow. Let me take it off of here though. See that? Don't hear it unless it's attached to something. You know what? Let's try something else. I'm going to try it on the box it came in. Woo! That sounds interesting. Alright, I'm going to try it in the case that it came in. Woo! And that's with the sticky pad off of it. You know what? Let me try something else. I just happen to have this with me. I'm going to try it on here. The acoustics are a little off, but I believe you get it. You know what? That's another thing I can try it out. I'm going to try it out in this cup right here. Put it right in the cup. That's impressive. You can hear that. It's loud, like loud. Literally like a loudspeaker. Wow. Let me stop that. Somebody's going to have a lot of fun with this. I hope this was useful to you.